Hey there, welcome to our channel Former Times Today's video about ancient technologies we still can't explain. Throughout history, civilizations have built wonders that still baffle modern science. How did the ancients create structures, machines, and inventions that seem too advanced for their time? Were they simply geniuses ahead of their era? Or did they possess knowledge we've lost, from precise stone-cutting techniques to mysterious energy sources? These ancient technologies defy explanation. Let's dive into the greatest unsolved engineering mysteries of the past. 1. The Great Pyramid of Giza, precision beyond modern engineering. The Great Pyramid of Giza is over 4,500 years old, yet its construction still puzzles experts today. The massive limestone blocks, each weighing several tons, were placed with microscopic precision, something modern cranes and technology struggle to replicate. The pyramid is aligned perfectly with true north, with an error margin of just 0.05 degrees. How did ancient Egyptians achieve this without compasses or GPS? Inside, temperatures remain a constant 20 degrees Celsius, 68 degrees, despite the blazing desert heat. Was this an ancient form of air conditioning? Some theories suggest the pyramid may have been more than just a tomb. Could it have been a power plant, as some researchers believe? Even today, scientists can't fully explain how the Egyptians quarried, transported, and assembled this megastructure with such mathematical accuracy. The Antikythera Mechanism, the world's first computer. In 1901, divers near the Greek island of Antikythera discovered a rusted, corroded object inside an ancient shipwreck. At first, it seemed like nothing special, until scientists realized they were looking at the world's first known analog computer built over 2,000 years ago. The Antikythera mechanism is a complex system of gears that could predict solar eclipses, track planetary movements, and even calculate Olympic Games schedules. X-ray scans reveal over 30 precisely crafted bronze gears, as advanced as 18th century clockwork. How did the ancient Greeks create such a sophisticated astronomical device, when similar technology wouldn't appear until 1,500 years later? Even today, experts don't know who built it or how many existed. Was this lost knowledge from an unknown advanced civilization? Sir, the Baghdad battery, ancient electricity. In 1938, an archaeologist in Iraq made a bizarre discovery: a 2,000-year-old clay jar containing a copper cylinder, an iron rod, and traces of acidic residue. What was it? Some believe it was an ancient battery. When filled with vinegar or lemon juice, replicas of the Baghdad battery can produce electrical charges. Could the ancients have used electricity for electroplating gold, or even for light sources? If so, this would mean electricity was discovered more than 1,000 years before modern science even theorized it. Was this simply a coincidence, or were ancient civilizations experimenting with power far beyond our understanding? The long-lost cement formula of the Romans. The ancient Romans built roads, aqueducts, and buildings that have stood for over 2,000 years. But here's the mystery: their concrete is stronger than ours today. Modern concrete cracks and crumbles over time, but Roman concrete gets stronger with age. Scientists discovered that the secret is a lost formula involving volcanic ash, which allows the material to self-heal when cracks form. How did the Romans know this formula? And why did this knowledge disappear for centuries? Some believe this lost technology could revolutionize modern construction if we can fully decode it. 5. The stone-cutting mystery of Puma Punku. In Bolivia, high in the Andes Mountains, lies an ancient ruin called Puma Punku, but it's not just any ruin. It's a technological enigma. The massive stone blocks, some weighing over 100 tons, are cut with laser-like precision, perfect 90-degree angles, interlocking pieces, and smooth drill holes, but no signs of chisel marks. The civilization that built Puma Punku, the Tiwanaku, didn't have metal tools. Or did they? Some say this site is proof of lost high technology, while others believe it's evidence of extraterrestrial intervention. Whatever the case, no modern engineer has been able to replicate the precision of Puma Punku using ancient tools. The Ulfbert swords, Viking blades, ahead of their time. Viking warriors were feared across Europe, but their most mysterious weapon was the Ulfbert sword, a blade so advanced it shouldn't have existed in the 9th century. These swords were made from high-carbon crucible steel, a technique only perfected 800 years later during the Industrial Revolution. Normal medieval swords were brittle, but Ulfbert swords were nearly indestructible, so sharp they could cut through chainmail like butter. The biggest mystery? The technology to make these swords did not exist in Europe at the time. So, where did the Vikings learn it? Did they unlock a lost metallurgical secret, or did they trade with an unknown advanced civilization? These ancient technologies continue to baffle scientists, engineers, and historians. Were these civilizations simply ahead of their time? Or did they possess knowledge we have yet to rediscover? Could there be lost knowledge hidden beneath the sands of time, waiting to be found? Let me know in the comments which ancient technology blows your mind the most. And if you love uncovering the mysteries of history, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the past.